How to fix Steam Error Code E87. So when you try to open the Steam application, you may encounter this error pop up. So to fix this, the first thing that you want to do is locate the icon of the Steam application. Once you have located the Steam application, right click it. Now go to the properties because here we can see the target and this is the pathway Steam takes to open up. You can simply select this by right clicking it. Copy from there. Once you have copied, you can close the Steam properties. Next, you go to the search bar and type run, and this will take you to the run application. Once you are in the run application, you can simply paste the pathway that you have copied earlier. Once you have pasted the pathway, now what you do is you do a spacebar and type /repair. Now click OK and it should open up Stream as you can see, and from here you can open up Stream normally again. This process still didn't fix the issue. It's very important to keep your Windows software updated. Or you can simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again, and this will fix the issue. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next video.